Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to the first screencast for live hockey. Today we will be discussing beta-alanine, what it is, how it affects performance, what scientists and research are saying about it, and most importantly, how it is used, how to use it with regards to playing hockey. Now we start off with the basics, and this can be a bit tricky to pick up on, so feel free to pause and rewatch parts of this video. Beta-alanine is actually a natural occurring beta amino acid, which is an amino acid in which the amino group is in the beta position from the carboxylate group, i.e. it is 2 atoms away, as you can see on the screen at the moment. Intramuscular acidosis has been attributed to one of the main causes of fatigue during intense exercise. Carnosine has been shown to play a significant role in muscle pH regulation. Carnosine is synthesized in skeletal muscle from the amino acids L-histidine and beta-alanine. The rate-limiting factor of carnosine synthesis is beta-alanine availability, i.e. the carnosine levels are limited by the amount of available beta-alanine. When consumed as a dietary supplement, beta-alanine passes from the bloodstream into skeletal muscle via a beta-alanine and taurine transporter. Okay, and as you can see that beef and pork are good sources of carnosine, a way of getting them naturally into your body. Once it enters a skeletal muscle cell, it binds with the essential amino acid L-histidine to form the dipeptide carnosine, which is what's happening in the equation above. Supplementation with the beta-alanine has been shown to increase muscle carnosine content and therefore total muscle buffer capacity, with the potential to elicit improvements in physical performance during high intensity exercise. Okay, I realise that can be a little bit confusing. We're going to simplify it now. So a recent study by Harris et al. In 2003 showed that when beta-alanine was consumed with creatine, there was a large positive difference in performance, as you can see in the graph. Another study by Smith in 2011 showed a significant reduction in the rate of perceived exertion, as again you can see in the second graph there. There are many more published papers quantifying the benefit of taking beta-alanine as a supplement, and these can be found on the web. Okay, so the recommended dose of beta-alanine has not yet been determined, although most of the evidence is that between 1.5 to 5 grams, or 2 to 5 as I've put on here, every day will produce results in most people. Benefits begin to appear after about 2 to 3 weeks, maybe longer or shorter, depending on the person who's actually taking it. When taking beta-alanine, the research suggests it is best to take 8 grams a day, but spread out obviously across the day. So 2 grams 4 times in the day. This keeps the blood levels elevated throughout the day, which in turn creates more carnosine available for your muscles. Some companies will suggest taking it before or after a workout, but beta-alanine is not like caffeine. Its effects are not instant, but develop over time. Remember that beta-alanine works best when exercise is of a high intensity and lasts at least 1 to 5 minutes, possibly a set in the gym, or certainly a sprint on the hockey pitch, or repeated sprints. This means it is ideal to take with creatine as it supports the ATP-PCR energy system. Now, there are some side effects, or not so much side effects, but there is something that you need to be aware of. And that is the acute paraphysia, which is the scientific name for pins and needles, or a prickling sensation in your body. This may or may not be felt during the first few doses of beta-alanine and can be serious if you are taking too high a dose of a supplement. This is why it is always recommended to start off with small doses and build up more once your body is used to the supplement. Forgot to add that the reference list is here